We're in Key West, one of the sunniest places in the world. And this episode is all about places to get you out of the sun. Right now, we're in the sun in front of mile marker 0. Hope you enjoy great places to find shade here in Key West. Yes, that's right. We're at the fan favorite Ernest Hemingway's house in Key West, Florida. I can't believe I got my husband here because we agreed that when I was coming to Ernest Hemingway's house, he was going to hit a bar nearby, but he decided to come. There was quite a line on the way in here. This is an iconic place to visit, and I can't wait to see if we can spot the six-toed cats and learn a little bit about Ernest Hemingway here in Key West. A great place out of the sun. Hey kitty, you're on camera. Yes, you are. See your toes? So cute. Yes. Looks like he's used to being petted.
So when this house was built in 1851, it was oceanfront property. Ooh. But in the 1890s, the U.S. Navy was tasked with creating a proper base here. Anybody know what this was originally? You know what it is? You think you know? All right, now I'm curious. Is it a what? No, you're right. No, it is. It's a barnyard from the original Floppy Joes. Although, if you want to check to see if it's still missing, we probably
just finished our tour at Ernest Hemingway's house. And John, what was the most interesting thing you learned on the tour?
I didn't know this, but Hemingway's house was on the shore of the Gulf or whatever.
It was oceanfront property.
Oceanfront property, that's what I'm looking for. Oceanfront property, but years later the Navy came in and dug up so the vessels could get through, and they put the land, they built up the end of the island and doubled the size of the island in 20 years. So now the lighthouse that we're going to isn't at the ocean front, it's in the middle of Old Town.
The most interesting thing that I found was that Hemingway owned a six-toed cat named Dolly. Is that right? Did I get the name right?
No, Snowball.
Snowball. I don't know where I came up with Dolly. But he had a six-toed cat named Snowball. And Snowball's descendants are here on the property. And I can't remember how many cats he had, but they're all over the place.
There's 59 here. Right now there's 59, but Hemingway had a lot more than 59 cats.
He kept them in his will, and you'll see them here forever.
Yep.
So
they're registered as historic, so people cannot mess with them.
So this is a great thing to do in the shade. We're headed over to the lighthouse.
For this too.
You'll pay for everything on vacation. Climb 88 steps to the top of the lighthouse and enjoy a spectacular view of Key West and the surrounding tropical waters. Okay.
Here's a picture, a sketch of the lighthouse when it was first built, and you can see how it's right on the waterfront. Now it's inland now. And it's the only lighthouse in the United States that is inland because of the expansion of the island.
So no tour, but you get to climb it for $17.
So they maintain it, I guess.
to Ernest Hemingway's house. So for about $40 you can spend a couple hours here.
Windy, keep it coming down.
Based on the inquiry of African the chain of islands from Maryland to picturesque but treacherous reef.
So was it worth $17 to go up to the lighthouse?
Well, for me now, since I'm officially a senior citizen, it was only $13 for me.
That's true. You got a discount.
I turned 62 today.
Yeah, happy birthday.
Yeah.
So
But,
what did you think about it, birthday boy?
Lighthouse
Yeah.
for $13? Man.
Yeah, that'll buy you something else here.
Yeah. Something to do in Key West. That's a popular spot, the lighthouse is, so.
Yes. You could say we did it. Check, check. Lots of fun things to do to get out of the sun. Eating out in the great Key West restaurants is another fabulous way to stay out of the sun. We went to the highly recommended Meson de Pepe, which has Cuban cuisine. This restaurant is right off of Mallory Square. And by the way, Havana is only 106 miles from Key West. I'm about to try the famous Cuban sandwich. It's good. Very different. Very good.
Plankton soup. Excellent.
Meson de Pepe, highly recommended. I'm here at the start of Mallory Square. Mallory Square is a fun place to see the sunset in Key West. Another great place in the shade, or maybe a great place in the sunset. Let's go check it out. While in Mallory Square, stop in the Key West Historic Memorial Sculpture Garden, which pays tribute to the island's most influential residents, such as Tennessee Williams, Harry S. Truman, Ellen Mallory, and Ernest Hemingway. If the sun is starting to come down, it's time to head towards the water and some entertainment on Mallory Square.
If you all want to see me do a trick with the bowling ball, say yeah!
Yeah!
Say oh yeah!
Oh yeah!
You're looking at it.
Oh wow. You'll want to find your way to the water before the sun gets too low and the crowds start to gather.
until next time, let our next trail help you find your next trail.